So in case if you have problem with the inspection or maintenance with your car, you can reset easily. First, stop the ignition and you need to press that button and move your ignition, and then turn to the right, and that's it. If you have seen, I have released this button, turn to the right, and the inspection sign is disappeared. So stop, use the key again, and that's it. So simple. Don't forget to like if you think this was helpful, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I wish you a nice day.